Hello again, Frederick Jordan back again. We're here to talk about today what is zero. Singular reasoning basically shows all of reality coming from a singular position, a true zero position. One is not a singularity, one is a duality with negative one. So if anything's in the first position, it's not actually singular. So what I show zero to being is a true singularity, in a function that can have the ability to speak all through the human experience, from physics to religions to life, death, afterlife, metaphysics, all that other stuff. My concept of zero move all the way through. Now we've got to remember how we got to understanding what a zero is zero is a placeholder. You got our 9-digit counting system from our fine Hindu to Muslim folks, and they had zero as a placeholder, so it would create a 10s group, then a 20s group, and it was a way to just counter rotate a system over. You know, first one's 9, blah blah blah, zero goes on, as we all know. Later mathematics evolved it, and zero has some other functions and division and multiplication, which everybody is so fun doing as a child. But I like to show zero in a number line. Now, to understand this concept of what a singularity is, you have to understand that, like I said, one is not a singular object. When you place it out into a number line, you can see it has a polar pairing, negative 1. 2 goes to negative 2, 3 goes to negative 3. What happened was that I saw a flaw, and well, what is a singular object? What is nothing? What is indifference? Where does that quantify into mathematics? And my brain just kept chewing through it until I came up with the fact, well, you know what? The only thing that really represents it is the individual singular unit on all of our reality, zero. So that was a violation of all mathematical terms, and I know that's heresy, and I need to be staked and burned to the cross by every mathematician out there for doing this, but the value of zero was never a representation of reality. This is what my contention is. We created zero as a placeholder. It wasn't something that was around us that we could quantify. It was nothing of a language of reality. It was the function of the mathematical system. Now, a function of a mathematical system is great. That's what keeps the math system alive. But that is not a representation of reality in the mathematical system. What my use of zero is, and some people are like, yeah, please find another term. I hate using zero. It makes me crazy. Is to show a center point of organization. Is to show an indifferent position to any polar energy throughout infinity. To show a connection point where reality, if this is reality that you can see, you've got, let's see, a particle phase, maybe a wave phase, and a force phase of gravity, you can see zero crashes down in an entangled process. This is where entanglement theory is functioning. Energy's bouncing back and forth, and then falls into a energy that I've dubbed logos energy. It's a singular energy of reasoning that all of reality floats on and drives from. Now you have one position for creation to continue through. Now, we'll get into it in later times and motions and all this other stuff, but this is just an introduction of what zero is and what its function. I'm going to wrap it up here for this first session on what zero is. All this information you can find on the thesis paper at singularreasoning.com, and there's an abstract book to teach the art of reasoning, pen name, logos, book name, everything. See you in a few. Thank you.